Mary's trying out freeway driving, and probably the only thing about freeway driving, which is got to have a bit of caution and be careful, is that everyone drives so fast. When you're standing outside watching the cars go past, they're going very, very fast. Most of the cars are doing well over 110 kilometres an hour, which they're not meant to do. 110 kilometres an hour is the speed limit, but unfortunately they drive above the speed limit, and of course it makes it a lot more dangerous. You need to do everything absolutely right, especially with your indicator. If you're moving out into the other lane or moving back into your own lane or into the outside lane here. And if you're moving to the outside lane, this one on the outside, then of course you need to make sure that you're indicating when you do. The other thing that is a bit difficult is that it doesn't let you drive slow. If you're driving a little bit too slow below the speed limit, all the cars are all passing you all the time. Some of them drive up so close behind you that it makes it dangerous. So it tends to force the driver to drive faster than they're comfortable driving. So we always have to be careful with that also. But freeway driving is quite pleasant if you can just stay on the speed limit or below 5 or 10 kilometres, and just don't worry too much about what other drivers are doing. Just concentrate on your own lane, and if you need to pass a car because they're going slower, well, you make sure you got clearance down your right hand side to move out into the inside lane, or the outside lane we would say, that lane on that side, to pass the car. Then once you get past, you can see that in the mirror that you're clear, this side mirror, and you're clear. Then you indicate and you come back on the inside lane. So that's how we manage the long driving, and also driving at speed on the freeway. So Mary's doing a good job. She's doing very well driving on the freeway. But like everything, the difficult bits are quite often coming onto the freeway or going off the freeway. With stop signs and give way signs in the service station. Going into the service station, there's a lot of cars and vehicles coming in and out. It's very easy to make a mistake, or somebody else make a mistake, and you don't notice that what they're doing is not right. And of course it can have a little accident as well. So you have to really watch carefully when you're coming onto the freeway and when you're going off the freeway. That's where most of the accidents seem to happen. So safe driving, need to learn all of those rules very carefully about coming on and being comfortable with where you need to be when you're coming up to a stop sign, give way sign, turning into one lane to come onto the next lane, then onto the freeway. There she is, look at her, she's doing a good job. Driving nicely and giving her fellow driver, me, a rest.
What time now? Oh, 4 o'clock. Mandora. weather. 4 o'clock. Wala ng araw. You don't have sun right now because 4 o'clock. Getting cold outside. Oh, kangaroos there. Yun. May mga kangaroos pala dito. Malapit sana yun. Eh, nahagip yun ng kamera. Lapit lang sana. Have a kangaroo here. Oh. Oh. Nakita pa tayo ng kangaroo dito. I think have a kangaroos here. More kangaroo. Tingnan nyo, oh. Mga bulaklak na sa ilalim ng kahoy. Oh. What is that? Kangaroos? Oh, sheep. May sheep din pala dito. Gabi na, may mga ilaw na. Banda doon. May mga ilaw na. Makakita tayo ng ano dito. Kangaroos. Ang gugulo ng kalsada dito. Hirap drivean. Ano sundan. Dito ako na Banbury na pala. This Banbury. Bird. Ito mahirap sundan mag-drive. Maraming ikot-ikot. Ikot-ikot. Western Highway. Ganda. Wow. So pretty. Kita yung mga bubong ng mga bahay dito. ICT pala yan, oh. Banbury. Oh, cows. There's a lot of cows there. Nangingitim yung mga mga baka. Mga baka. May bird pa doon, oh. These are lovers all tonight. Ito yung ating mga view. Lawak ko. Mandora Park. Daming mga baka doon, no? There's a lot of cows. Farm ng cows dito, banda. Daming baka. Southwestern Highway. Baka doon, no? Sheep pala.
They're cattle. They're
Beer?
light coloured cattle.
Cattle.
Yeah, bigger, but lighter. behind. They look like sheep, but
Look like sheep, but it's,
they're bigger.
that is bigger. That is cattle.
Yeah,
Ay,
special
cattle.
breed with a
Ah,
light coat.
It's not. There's my cup here. Init man ay. Dito tayo sa taas. Freeway. That is freeway, right? Freeway.
Yeah.
Dito tayo sa freeway. Yay! Banbury. Tignan niyo yung ubos guys, oh. Dito tayo sa taas. Laki ng ano nila doon. Pasyalanan siguro yan. Look at that. Ang daming baka. Daming,
Aberdeen Angus, the black breed of cattle.
yeah, black.
They've got them in Philippines as well.
Yeah. Daming baka guys. Ang itim. Oh. That is farm here in the house.
Yeah.
Daming makikita natin dito. Ito ang pinakamalaking highway. Oh, ayan o, bakaw. Ang dami nila. Tubig sila. Ayan ang mga bakaw. Ang dami nila. May mga bagong inanak. Dami bird. Ang dami nila. Oh, ayun o, kangaroo. Mga farm nila guys, nagpatubig sila. Nagtaniman ng gulay. Patubig sila doon, oh. Kita niyo yung puti tubig ko yan. Nagdidilig. Nag-shower. Didilig sila ng mga halaman nila. Yes, we go to the toilet. Daan muna tayo dito guys. Mag-CR muna tayo. Mag-CR. Dito kami dumadaan dati eh. Ay,
Okay.
okay. Dito. Good afternoon guys. Mayroon tayong nakita na ang daming mga kangaroos. Balikan natin guys para makita natin ang kangaroo. So good afternoon sa lahat. Andito pala kami ngayon sa Baselton. So pabalik na kami ng Port Nordam. So balikan natin yung guys, yung kangaroos. So para makakita kayo ng kangaroos. Good afternoon pala sa lahat mga kachiki, mga chikiday, chikidong, good afternoon. Ayan, balikan po natin para makita natin yung kangaroo. Nandito pa po tayo sa Baselton. Baselton pa po tayo. Dito kasi sa Baselton, marami ditong kangaroo. Pagdating na sa Perth, sa Nordam, wala na po yung kangaroo. Mga sheep na po dito ang dami. Dito, kangaroo, sheep. Ay, walang sheep. Cows. Right, honey? No have sheep here. Oh, that is kangaroos there. It's a lot.
Yeah, there's a special little area for the kangaroos. They're obviously protected here. Right.
So, makita natin dito ang kangaroo, guys. Ayun sila, oh. Takihan natin para makita. Ayan sila, oh, malayo. Ayan, oh. Ayan, stop natin. I-stop muna natin yung car. Ayan, oh. Ang dami nila, oh. Kaya na, nagkurog-kurog naman to, eh. Ayun, kita niyo, oh. Lakihan natin. Ito na yata ang pinakamalaki.
You see them all right?
Yeah. I just look, adjust.
Amazing.
Yeah. Lakihan pa natin, 3. Ayan, kita nyo. 3 lang ang pinakamalaki. Yan, oh, kangaroos. Oh, ang dami. Medyo malayo nga lang, pero ayan, may tumatakbo doon, oh. Ayan, oh, kita nyo, guys. Oh, gumagalaw-galaw sila. Yeah. Where is that? Very close, oh. Ayan, matay pa, guys. So, ito ang dami nila. Gamitan daw natin ito. Ayan, dito, guys. Ang dami. Ayan na sila, oh. Ayan, oh, kita nyo. Mga kangaroos po yan. I have water. Di daw ko kukulit dito. Ayan, kita nyo, guys. Ayan, oh. Yun ang itim na maliliit. Yan sila. Ayan, kumakain po sila, oh. Dito malapit-lapit. Diba? Klarong-klaro. Oo. Ayan, ang dami, oh. Ayan sila. Oh, tumatakbo sila, oh. Talon-talon. Iya. Talon-talon po sila. Ayan po ang kangaroo. Ayan, ang dami nila, oh. First time to makita na ako nga ganito sila kadami dito. Minsan kasi magtatago sila sa ilalim ng mga punong kahoy dyan. Magtatago. Tingnan nyo sila, oh. Nakatayo yung mga ulo. Nakatingin dito. Ganda. Ang dami po nila, oh. Oh, that is a lot. Going from there, going here. Balik na po kami. Yeah, that is good. Ayan sila. First time ko yung nakita, napakadami nila. Lagi kami punta dito dati, pero hindi ko nakita silang garon kadami. Ayan sila. Oh, nagtalaw na sila. Oh, it's coming! It's coming! Very close here! Look!
They're all bouncing.
Look there! Nagtakbuhan po sila.
Down there to have a look, so they're all bouncing and running away.
Yeah. Ang dami po nila, oh. Nagtakbuhan sila papunta ng kalsada pag-alis namin. Ayan sila, oh. That is a lot. That is here also. Dami nila. Nagtakbuhan sila pag-alis namin. Nagtakbuhan sila palapit sa kalsada. Oh, just coming in the road.
Yeah, well, those people were walking down there, so that spooked them a bit, so they're all running back together for safety.
Yeah. Nice. Kangaroos. Here naman, dito naman sa kabila, mga cows, baka, napakadami. Marami dito, guys, baka at saka mga kangaroo. Here, honey, I cannot see the sheep. No have sheep here, right?
Not so much down here because it's too wet and damp, and also it's better, probably better for cattle anyway. So there's quite a few cattle down this way.
That's why.
The cattle can handle the wet ground with their feet.
So that's why Nordam going to
Right.
bird that is
Drier on the feet.
dry. Yeah, then lot of sheep.
Yeah.
So it's not that is only sheep there. It's not that is a little cows here, cows, kangaroos. That is more here in Basilton. So yan. Tapos ang dami mga flowers dito oh, sa ilalim ng mga kakahuyan. Ayan ang mga flowers. Ayan guys, ang daming mga flowers. So, ayan, nasa tabi-tabi lang. The here side, no have kangaroos. Only there. Ano tayo guys, punta tayo ng CR. Nandun pa, kasi nakaano, hintayin muna natin. Ang tagal naman nito, hinintay ko, ayan, may upuan dito. Ang tagal naman nito. Mga Chinese guys, nandito. Chinese sila. Asa kayang CR nito sa loob siguro. Kaya mag-ano muna tayo. Ang dami kong makikita dito na upo muna ako guys. Ang dami akong nakikita dito mga Chinese, mga Pilipino, pero hindi sila namansin ba? Ganyan talaga mga Pilipino. Pero yung iba na mamansin ba? Yung iba hindi karamihan. So, daan muna tayo. Ang tagal naman nito. Oh, ako na nga lang pupunta mag-CR. Tapos na kami mag-CR. Punta kami nag-CR. Ako lang. Ha?
Put it away.
Mag-drive daw ako guys. Where's the way? Kabado na naman ako mag-drive. Kabado ako mag-drive. Oops. Oops. Drive tayo. I did not know daw here. Ano ba?
Oh, I'll show you.